Welcome guys, welcome to ethical hacking tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to recover the deleted file. Lot of times you delete a file by mistake and you want to recover that file. So every deleted file can be recovered if it is not overwritten. So here's the tutorial for this. So I made two folders, testing of recovery and my recovery folder. These two folders I made just to show the tutorial. So in testing of recovery I put an image of backtrack. This is the image only, uh, and my recovery is the empty folder. So testing of recovery, in this image I'm going to delete. So I'm going to permanently delete this image. Shift delete, you can see that. Yes, so this image is deleted. To recover this image, we're going to use software Pandora Recovery. There are a lot of softwares to recover the file. Here's the list I'm going to show you, like Aqua, Current File Recovery, Pandora, Aegis Data Recovery, Wise Data Recovery, Free and Delete. This all the free softwares. You can download it from internet. There's also paid software like Get Data Back, which is very sorry for that. Data Back, Get Data Back, which is also professional and very good software. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna use this software. It is very simple, not advanced, easy to use, but simple. This is advanced software you can download on the internet or cracked copy of this or NTFS and delete. It is also a good software. It is also a good software. Okay, take. I'm gonna open the Pandora recovery. Already installed that software. So my files is located in software. So I'm gonna click that. It will scanning the all deleted files. Well, here's the show icon. This cross icon is showing that the which files all deleted in that drive. So here's the testing of recovery my folder. Here's the backtrack file jpg. This file is already deleted. So how to recover that? Right click on that and recover to. Here you can specify the location to recover the file. It is best when you specify the location of the other drive. That is, if your file is deleted in the software's E drive, so you have to specify the location to recover the file, like D drive, C drive, or F drive. But at this time, I'm uh, using the E drive, so I'm going to keep that folder and click on recover now. Uh, yes. So the file is recovered. Okay. Here's the folder is opened. I'm going to show you. So my file is testing of recovery. I all deleted that file, and the recovered file is in my recovery folder. In this way, you can recover the deleted file. You can recover the deleted file on the pen drive, interface partition, fat file partition. You can recover any file deleted. But there is a caution of that. If uh, I'm going to show you, if this file is overwritten by another file, or this space is overwritten by another file, then it get difficult to recover that file. But still you can recover that by using other softwares like professional softwares, free and delete or get data back. You can get cracked copy on torrents or other sites. So here's the problem. Some data is sensitive. You don't want to recover that. So how can you erase the file securely? So there is also software like file menu tools or eraser software. To shade the file completely securely, there are softwares to use like eraser and file menu tools. So I'm going to show use eraser software. So how to use that? I already installed that software, so just right click on it, and here's the option eraser. When you install the software, this option already automatically comes to the right click menu and click on erase. It will taking time to open. So the task is completed. This file is erased. Here's the custom settings. You can set that, like settings, and here's the default file eraser method. Here's the Gutman 35 passes. That is the, what is the meaning of that Gutman 35 passes? Well, here's the, there is algorithm of Gutman, and 35 passes means the file is overwritten by 35 times, with random characters, random data. That is pseudo random data. Here so you can set that whatever you want. Then this file cannot be recovered in with any software. Any software in the world cannot recover that file if it is overwritten lot of times. So I'm going to show you. Here's the previous software I used for recovery. So I'm going to close that and open it, Pandora, and Zip Wizard and softwares. It is scanning the folders. So here's my recovery. In my recovery, I already deleted the file with eraser. Here's the is showing the random data and size 0 KB. We cannot recover the image file. In this way, you can delete file permanently, securely, and it cannot be recovered by any software. Thanks for watching, and stick to the series of hacking. You will get lot of knowledge. Visit my site Crazy Learning. We will soon buy domain. Thank you for that. Okay.